Welcome student. This is part 1 of class 10 biology chapter 5 life process. Please like and subscribe our channel to get regular update. So student, study well and master your skill. Let's start. What is a life process? And the correct answer is C, a process that maintains the life of an organism. What is nutrition? And correct answer is B, process of obtaining food, which is not an essential life process. And the correct answer is C, photosynthesis. What is the function of respiration? And correct answer is A, to break down food molecule to release energy. Which of the following is a waste product of respiration? And the correct answer is B, carbon dioxide. Which of the following organism use oxygen to break down food? And the correct answer is C, both plant and animal. In plant, respiration mainly takes place in and correct answer is D, all part. Leaf as well as root as well as flower. What is the primary source of energy for life process? And the correct answer is A, carbohydrate. The process of excretion referred to and correct answer is B, removing harmful waste from the body. In human, which organ is primarily responsible for excretion? And the correct answer is B, kidney. The small intestine in human is responsible for. And the correct answer is C, both digestion and absorption. How do amoeba take in food? And the correct answer is B, by engulfing food particle with pseudopodia. What is the main role of chlorophyll in plant? And the correct answer is C, absorption of light energy for photosynthesis. Where does photosynthesis take place in plant? And the correct answer is C, leaves. What do plants excrete as a waste product of photosynthesis? And the correct answer is B, oxygen. Which life process is responsible for energy release? And the correct answer is B, respiration. Which of the following organisms do not have a circulatory system? And the correct answer is C, amoeba. What is the main excretory product in human? And the correct answer is A, urea. The breakdown of glucose during respiration produces. And the correct answer is A, energy, carbon dioxide and water. Why can't simple diffusion meet the oxygen requirement in human? And the correct answer is both A and B. Because humans are large organisms with complex body structure and because diffusion is too slow, therefore the answer is both A and B. Which process help in transporting oxygen and nutrient in multicellular organism? And the correct answer is B, circulation. Which tissue in plant is responsible for transporting water? And the correct answer is A, xylem. Which tissue in plant transport nutrient and sugar? And the correct answer is B, phloem. Which type of respiration occur in the absence of oxygen? And the correct answer is A, anaerobic respiration. And question number 25, the last question of this part 1. What is the byproduct of anaerobic respiration in muscle? And the correct answer is A, lactic acid. Thanks for watching MCQ CBSE. Please like and subscribe our channel to get regular update. Thank you.